Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to start from scratch. We're going to do a 2D model. Let's push forward. I am going to use weak form PDE. If you don't see it here, go down to mathematics, and I believe it's under interfaces. Weak form PDE. I'm going to set this up first for only mechanics. I'm going to see if I can add in the additional strain gradient scalar later. So we first click on this, it'll pop up this, and I'm going to call this displacement in the one direction. I prefer this instead of X so you don't get confused with derivatives. So this is displacement in X, displacement in Y. And let's go forward. I'm going to make this time dependent, and we're done. Alright. First geometry. So this is a circular hole problem. Actually, so I'm going to do an elliptical hole. I'm going to do that instead of a crack so you can get an idea on how to quickly create this geometry. So first click on square, create any arbitrary square, open this up, go here, and I'm going to make this a length of, let's make it a length of 2, and let's put it the center at 1. So build all. Alright. That's not what I wanted. Let's move this. I want this thing in the center. So put that at -1. Did that give me what I want? Yes. So I have a center at 0, 0. Alright. Click back on geometry. Let's create an ellipse. Now click on this, come over to the ellipse, semi-axis. That's probably reasonable. Make this 0.1, and then we need this at the origin. So build it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now what do I want to do? I want to do quarter symmetry. Okay, we need to only leave this part. So what do I want to do first? I think I want to subtract. I want to cut a hole, elliptical hole. And I think I want to do this using compose. So put this here. Add. Well, let's add this. Let's put that in there. And I want to take the square and I want to subtract this ellipse. Let's see if this will work. Actually, before I do this, I'm going to save it. So, plasticity version 1. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. And it did. We're in business. Okay. Now we just need to do 2 more similar operations. So we're going to create I'm going to create this rectangle because I'm going to cut out all this. Let's make sure it's the right size. So it's a height of 2, width, and there's the origin. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and create one more. I want a square. Starting there. Roughly there. Let's see if that's in the right spot. So it's a length. side length 1. There's my origin. That's right. Alright. Right click here. And let's do another compose. So I want this. Add this one. And this one. And keep in mind, I don't know if you need to add those, but this formula is important. CO1 minus R1 minus square 2. Let's save it again. Let's see if this will work. Yes. It's exactly what we wanted. So notice now I have part of my ellipse there. I should be able to put in some boundary conditions and stretch this from the top. Alright. So that's geometry. We're going to quit right here, and then we'll start putting in equations in the next video.